Today we are visiting the Tabanan Regency of Bali, and specifically the small town of Jatiluwih. Jatiluwih means beautiful teak wood, and this village is famous for its red rice fields. There are farmers around who are more than willing to explain to you about the rice production process. The entrance fee to the main walkway of the park is 40,000 rupees per person. Jatiluwih is only a 1.5 hour drive from Denpasar. Hotels and other accommodations won't be hard to find. Most hotels and accommodations are very close to the entrance to the rice fields. Of course, you can see rice fields anywhere in Indonesia, but this place is extraordinary.